Hi, this is Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Mazda BT50, stock reference number 5851. This shape ran from the 10th of 2011 to the 6th of 2020. It has a P5AT 5-cylinder 3.2 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a manual rear-wheel drive transmission. Here we have our P5AT 5-cylinder 3.2 litre turbo diesel engine. Left-hand headlight, left front wheel, steel, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Left front guard, scratches at the front. Bonnet, no dents. Left-hand mirror. Left front door, one dent. Left rear wheel, steel, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Tray. Right rear wheel, steel, 16-inch rim. Right front door, two dents. Right hand mirror. Right front guard, no dents. Right front wheel, steel, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Right hand headlight. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Manual gear stick. Head AC controls. CD player head unit. Interior mirror. Left hand sun visor. Courtesy light. Right hand sun visor. Tidy 3-spoke steering wheel with audio and cruise buttons.